Hey guys, we're here at the Andrew residence. Customer's looking for new furnace and air conditioner. Currently has 20 by 25 media. Has a humidifier on the back side of this supply ductwork here. We'll get two 3-inch PVC pipes that go towards the back of the house. Line set goes up and over that way. Over drywall soffits, we'll have to flush that out. Got combustion grills for this room here, for the water heater. Forward drains here. No walkout. There's an entrance there, and you can also go through here. On the other side is the humidifier that's here. And we'll have to cut out the T that's right there on that PVC.